Hello everyone. Today we have Venkatesh here who is going to help us understand about full stack development and how to make a SaaS application using full stack. So welcome Venkatesh to this platform where you help us understand about SaaS. Venkatesh is from Atrium Technology and he is from ISC department. So Venkatesh.
Thank you guys for inviting me. I am excited to talk about full stack development and how it is used to build modern SaaS platform like Netflix, Google, Workspace, Zoom, and many other cloud-based applications.
So Venki, to start our podcast, can you tell me about what is SaaS actually means?
SaaS actually stands for software as a service. It is a software delivery model where applications are hosted on the cloud and accessed through the internet instead of installing from on a local computer. Some more examples are Azure, Google Workspace, and it is.
Okay. Thank you. So Venki, my next question is, what is full stack development?
Yeah, full stack development refers to developing both front end and back end. In front end, the user interface, user interactive, and in the back end, the server, the database, and the application logic.
So Venki, that was very informative. Now I would like to ask you the third question. So Venki, my third question is, which technologies are commonly used in full stack development?
Yeah, in front end technology like we use like HTML, CSS, JS, React, and in the backend technology we use Node.js, Python, and Java. That's it. And some example of databases are MongoDB, MySQL, and PostgreSQL. SQL and some cloud platforms are AWS, Cloud, and Microsoft. That's
Why is SaaS becoming popular?
Yeah, there are many like low in infrastructure called easy maintenance, automatic updates, remote accessibility, and etc. That's it.
Venki, how does authentication works in SaaS?
The SaaS application uses secure authentication systems such as JWT, OAuth, and multi-factor authentication. This system ensure only authorized users can access the application.
And Venki, what are the challenges faced by full stack developers when developing a full stack application?
Some common challenges are managing scalability, handling large databases, securing user data, and API integration.
So Venkatesh, how is the development done in SaaS application?
Yeah, deployment usually happens on cloud platforms using DevOps tools. Common deployment tools are Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, and GitHub Actions.
Okay. And Venki, what are the future trends in SaaS development that we'll see in future years?
Future trends are like AI powered SaaS application, low code and no code platforms, microservices architecture, serverless computing, better cybersecurity systems, and etc.
So thank you Venki for this informative video you have shared with us, and thank you for sharing the platform.
Okay, thank you so much, Utkarsh, for